We were solving simultaneous equations. Assalamu alaikum, and here is another example on the same topic. Remember, we were given two equations. The first one was a linear equation and the other one was a non-linear equation, and we have to solve these two equations to get the value of x and y. This is another example of the same topic, but when we look at the question, we can see that there is no square power in the question. We have two equations. The first one is y minus x equals to 3, and the other equation is 2 upon x minus x upon y equals to 1. So as it appears that there is no square power, so we can't identify which one is a non-linear equation and which one is a linear equation. So first of all, before starting the question, we will just simplify this. We know that we will be applying substitution method. So we will be simplifying this equation first, as this is a simple equation. So first we will simplify this equation and then we will identify which one is the linear equation and which one is non-linear. So if we simplify this equation, we know that these two are fractions, and we know that the fractions are subtracted by taking LCM. So the LCM of x and y will be x and y, and since x is over here, so y will be multiplied with 2 to get 2y, minus sign as it is, and y is here, so x will be multiplied with x square, x to get x square equals to 1, and then this xy will move on this side, and the equation will be 2y minus x square is equals to xy. So there is a square power. So this is basically the non-linear equation and this is the linear equation. I can write this linear equation in simplified form by by moving this minus x on the other side. So it will become x is equal y is equals to 3 plus x. So these two are my equations, and now I can clearly see that this is a non-linear equation and this is the linear equation, and I have been given with the value of y, so I will just substitute this value in equation 1. I will put y is equals to 3 plus x in equation 1, 2 will be as it is. In place of y, I will write 3 plus x, minus will be as it is, x square will be as it is, equals to x and then again y, so I will write 3 plus x in place of y. Now I have to expand the brackets and I will multiply it. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 2 multiplied by x is positive 2x, then minus x square as it is equals to x multiplied by 3 will be 3x and x multiplied by x will be x square. Since this x is negative, so I am moving all these three terms on the other side. This will be as it is, x square plus 3x, and now this is positive x. When it will go on the other side, it will become minus x. This is positive 2x minus 2x, and this is minus x square, and it will become positive x square is equals to 0. And you can also move this side on the other side, but it will make the coefficient of x square minus, which is not a good ideal condition. So we avoid this type of situations and we move the negative x square to the other side. So now on simplification, my final equation will be x square and x square is 2x square. 3x minus 2x will be positive x, and this minus 6 will be alone equals to 0. And now I know that this is a quadratic equation and I have to simplify it, and I will be using middle term breaking method, and I will multiply the corners. 2x square and minus 6 will be minus 12x square, and the sign of the middle term will be plus x. So now I will be making factors of 12. 4 multiplied by 3 and 4 minus 3 is x, so I will pick 4x and minus 3x. The sign of the middle term goes to the bigger factor always, and you decide the sign of the other factor by looking at this. If I am giving this plus 4x, what should I assign 3x to get plus 1x? So I will write minus over here. हमेशा मिडिल टर्म का जो साइन होता है वो बड़े फैक्टर के पास ऑटोमेटिकली चले जाता है. दूसरे फैक्टर का साइन आप खुद डिसाइड करते हो कि 4 में से 3 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करूं कि ऐड करूं कि आंसर 1x आए. तो मुझे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन अ माइनस साइन ओवर हेयर. Now I will just shift my factors. 2x square as it is plus 4x minus 3x and then minus x equals to 0. Now I will take common between these two. 2x is common. Since 2x is common, there are 2x. 1 is outside, so there will be 1 remaining inside the bracket. And plus 2x is 4x. X is always x is there outside, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, so x plus 2. Then I will take minus 3 as common, so the bracket will be x plus 2. Minus 3 common, so x, and then minus common, so this will become positive, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So now since the both brackets are same, so this means I have applied the method correctly. X plus 2, 2x minus 3 equals to 0. The first one is x plus 2 equals to 0, so x will be minus 2. And the other one will be 2x minus 3 equals to 0, so x will be 3 upon 2. So I have got the two values of x. Now I will use these two values of x and will calculate the value of y by using equation number 2. This is my equation number 2. So first I am putting the value of x equals to minus 2. When I will put minus 2 over here, 3 minus 2 will be equals to y equals to 1. So when x is equals to minus 2, the value of y is 1. And then I will use 3 upon 2 in place of x. Y is equals to 3 plus 3 upon 2. This 3 will be as it is, and this sign is positive, and the value of x this time is 3 upon 2. So I will take the LCM. 2 will be the LCM, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and 6 plus 3 will be equals to 9. So when the value of x is equals to 3 upon 2, the value of y is 9 upon 2. So this was the solution. Again, the method is simple, but there is a lot of working and complex working required, so you have to practice these type of questions in order to be expert of this question. I will be solving some more questions, so stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz.